Hello everyone, back with another video, and if you'll notice, I'm filming on the tripod again, and not only that, uh, today's subject is not a portable fan, it's a ceiling fan. This is the first time I've had a ceiling fan as a subject of my video, for the first time in 4 months, almost, maybe even 5. So what we have here is a Hampton grayton ceiling fan made by SMC. And quick side note, sorry about the fan running in the background. It's like very hot in here. But yeah, this fan is 42 inches, finished in white. I've been wanting one of these, like this exact fan, for a couple of years now. A long time ago, I saw a video of one on YouTube, and I kind of grew attached to it, and it kind of went into the back of my head, and I just kind of wanted one a little bit, but not that much, and then I saw one pop up on eBay, and my birthday was coming up. I don't know if many people watched my video of that Galaxy box fan a night or two ago, but I finally turned 16, so I got this as a birthday present. Pretty basic. It's my very first vented spinner. You could probably go around to the other side, but there's the Hampton Bay tag. There's the top, there's the SMC tag right there. And then there's the UL tag. There's some more tags. But yeah. And I'm showing this side of the blades down because it's like, call me a lunatic, but I kind of prefer it. And this install is kind of weird. I mean, if I could, I would have replaced that lighting box up there. There's a ring left from when I had that ceiling light in here. But now it's just like exclusively J-hook mounted fans. So with that little doodad up there, I can mount almost any fan. And I might not keep this light kit on it permanently. I have this forearm light right here that I might put on it instead, but we'll see. And if I do end up doing that, I'll make a video of it, of course. I will also make a video of this fan without a light on it, because I know some people do that. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin demonstrating this thing. Just have a basic LED light bulb in there. Unfortunately, in my home state, they've banned incandescent bulbs, so I can't exactly buy them anymore, though I have some laying around. So there's the light. And now for low speed. Now, I know that SMC made a fan called the Promo, or the Promo Deluxe, and it was basically this fan, except a little bit more stylish, I guess you could say. It came in more finishes than just white. It came in white and brass, it came in antique brass, it came in fully polished brass, with stencil and everything, and I thought it's pretty cool. Like, Hobby Central has filmed a video on it, but I don't know, like, I can't seem to find any videos of a US made one. Like, the only videos I can find of a Promo Deluxe are videos of fans up in Canada, which kind of sucks, but maybe someday I could visit there and check on Facebook Marketplace, because I would imagine they sold in hotcakes. No, sold in hotcakes. Sold like hotcakes. Because SMC fans did sell a lot back then. They were pretty cheap. And these fans did sell cheap as well. I think they were about $20 when new. Yeah, not that expensive. So there's low. Go to medium now. And yes, I did make sure that that J-hook was in the ceiling well enough. I used the stud finder. And it wasn't budging when I tried putting some of my weight on it, so it's probably fine. And this fan is like light as hell. It's gonna be fine. It's already going pretty fast. I think I'll turn off my desk fan now. I don't know if you can hear it, but the bearings are a little bit rough from sitting for so long. Right out of the box, they sounded awful, but they seem to have gotten better a little bit. And there's high. I originally had my Minuet 3 in here. And that thing moved air faster and in a more concentrated manner. And this thing doesn't move air as quickly, though it definitely does move it in a higher volume. So it actually travels better, I think anyways. I'll just show the light off. It's been so long since I filmed the ceiling fan that I feel like I've kind of forgotten my format. I'm gonna be real honest with y'all. And unfortunately that Hampton base sticker is kind of yellowed out around the edges, though I'm definitely not taking it off. I'm not going to do spin down. Back on the tripod. There we go. Alright. 0 to high. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I know I did. Peace out.